Did you know one event can power your content for weeks? Stop letting your event buzz die the moment the doors close. Most people wait until after the event ends to start creating content, but the real growth happens when you plan, capture, and share in real time. This is how smart brands turn a single event into non-stop content. 1. Pre-event prep. Before your event begins, decide exactly how your content will be reused. Map out what will become social posts, video clips, emails, or blogs ahead of time. 2. Live event capture. During the event, focus on live capture. Grab short video clips, profound quotes, screenshots, and those authentic behind-the-scenes moments as they happen. 3. Proactive content sprint. Don't wait, repurpose and publish your highlights while the event is still running to maximize your reach and relevance. 4. Post-event production. Immediately after the event, edit your raw assets into polished videos and articles while the audience's interest is still at its peak. 5. Reactive repurposing. Finally, turn your full recorded sessions into evergreen blog posts and social content to keep the momentum going long after the event is over. Stop thinking about events as one-day moments and start your content sprint today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and follow Techmiro for more growth strategies.